Hey, back in the new workshop. Bit chilly today, which is why I'm wearing my coat. Nothing ever changes with these workshops. Never mind where I am, it's always cold. Just a creature that never warms up, pretty much. But one of the things I do need to do with this space, as I mentioned in the last video, is make it into more of a proper studio workshop space. And that needs a lot of paint, a lot of cladding, bit of manoeuvring things around, lights, all that kind of stuff. So that is what I'm going to do today. Well, say today, over the period of the next few weeks. So this video will be an amalgamation of all the day's works put together just to make this space exactly how I want it. Let's do it. And this is it. Everything's set up, and put the lights on actually. Boom. Boom. Perfect little space. It is getting there, admittedly it's getting there. Still a little bit of a working project. I thought I'd do this video just to show you where I'm at. There are a few things I want to do to this place still. Of course, it's a bit of a mess, as you can see. Got my working desk there with the cameras and stuff, a few gaskets, all that, but what I have got is a wall and an editing space and everything that I need, including rack for all the things that we have. We have a little broken down mic over there, but ultimately, this corner here, which is great. So this plinth will work perfectly for storing and housing the CX500. I think the CX500 needs a little space of its own. We have the Instagram Edison style bulbs, tool wall, enough tools to fill the garage. Need to finish that top row there, but also what I do need to do is finish painting that wall and cladding that there, so at least the cladding goes over. I do need to paint the stairs black. Absolutely need to paint the stairs black. I'm looking at this section here, that black just there looks a bit weird, so I need to carry on the black over there. I know I've painted that white, but kind of think it needs to be balanced a little bit better. Got a plinth that's starting off for the GS550. GS550 needs to be redone. I'm going to paint that a different colour, but I think that on that wall there works great. I do need to finish off painting these walls and that little wall there just a white, just to make it all a little bit neater. But this is it. How good is this for a space? It's amazing. And of course there's the upstairs as well, which I will just peek up. That is the upstairs space. A lot of space up there, and light and everything, so we can move upstairs as well for some bits, some more fiddly bits, things that I need to sit down, you know, think about strip an engine perhaps. That's what we're doing. So if you like what you see, subscribe and follow me. I'll be on very soon with another update. It'll probably be the mongrel update next. I know, it's a video that everyone's been waiting for. Also the BMW R100. So everyone, create something. Hope you're at peace and enjoying your own spaces. I know that a lot of people have different spaces, similar to mine, my old space, small spaces, big spaces, whatever you do, create the best that you can within the area that you have. But I will see you in the next video.